Did you know that in France there's the biggest fiber optic manufacturing plants in Europe? Hello everyone, I'm Maria Vittoria Zaglio, journalist for CNBC, and I'm here with Prysmian to talk about the invisible engine of digital revolution, optical fiber. This strand of glass, thinner than a hair, is what truly connects our modern world. Today we are in Douvrin, France, at one of Europe's most advanced manufacturing plants. This 155,000 square meters facility is a 24/7 hub of precision and innovation. Roughly half of France's optical fiber comes from here, with a massive share exported globally to meet a demand that grows by 10% every year, with over 600 million kilometers of fiber deployed annually worldwide. Douvrin sits at the heart of global infrastructure. Bonjour Philippe, thank you for joining us.
Buongiorno Maria Vittoria.
So Philippe, can you tell us what is exactly an optical fiber?
An optical fiber is essentially a glass waveguide that carries light signals over long distances. At its core, there is ultra-pure glass. Around it, we apply a protective coatings to ensure mechanical strength and durability. In Douvrin, we use a proprietary technology called mass color secondary coating. Instead of coloring the fiber afterwards, the color is integrated directly into the secondary layer. This technology is available in 12 vibrant, highly contrasted colors, which make identification easier during installation. It also improves mechanical reliability and supports high fiber count cable designs with a smaller footprint, meaning more fibers in less space. Fiber optic cables offer much higher bandwidth and faster data transfers than copper cables, supporting quicker internet speeds and more efficient communication. They are immune to electromagnetic interference, experience less signal loss over long distances, and are thinner and lighter, reducing installation costs. Additionally, because they don't emit electrical signals, they are harder to tap or intercept, improving security.
Standard fiber has a diameter of 250 microns, but Prysmian is pushing the limits. Following years of shrinking the footprint, Prysmian has reached a new industry milestone, the world's first 160 micron bending-sensitive fiber, produced right here in Douvrin. This is not just a smaller fiber, it allows cables to become significantly more compact and to host more fibers within the same space. But fiber optics can do much more in terms of innovation. Prysmian has even introduced fiber optics into high voltage cables to monitor their health in real time. This is an extremely topical and strategic issue, because the investment being made today in this technology are not only unlocking new forms of energy, but are also making Europe's energy more secure. So, Olivier, how does the optic fiber manufacturing process actually works here in Douvrin?
I will say that the manufacturing process can be summarized in 4 main steps. The first one, we manufacture what we call the core rod. The core rod is the first step in which all the optical properties are fixed. You make the core in which the signal is going to travel afterwards, and then we go to the second step, what we call overcladding, in which we will overclad or make the optical cladding of the optical fiber. At the end of that, we have what we call the preform. You have all the optical properties and you have made the glass that will become the fiber. After that, you go to a draw tower and you will draw the preform into an optical fiber. So directly from the dimension of the preform to 125 micron, which is the dimension of an optical fiber. At the end of that, you have the fiber in which we have put some coating to make it flexible, to put it in the spool. But when you have done that, it's not finished, because an optical fiber is nothing if you don't add the measurement to help the customers to know what it can do with it. So we will go to the next step, where we will verify the mechanical reliability that we call the proof test. And then the final one, the fourth step, in which we will go to measurement, characterization, make sure of the quality of our optical fiber.
Great, let's go. Olivier, innovation is constant here. What's next on the horizon?
You are totally right. Innovation is crucial in our job. For example, we have area of innovation such as capacity increase. We must increase the capacity of transmission we have in an optical fiber. To make it happen, we are working on multi-core fiber. Easy to explain. Huh? In a standard single-mode fiber, you have one core which is transmitting the signal. If you imagine the same kind of fiber with 4 cores, you will transmit 4 times more information at the same time. So this is an area. A second one I can describe to you consists in reducing the latency. So the latency can be explained by saying this is the time the data needs to be put from one area to the other. Why is it important? Let's imagine a surgeon operating in New York to somebody in Paris with robotics. It is doable, providing the latency is very small. That's why reducing latency is so important for us.
And that's make a great difference. Thank you, Olivier.
Thank you.
The Douvrin plant employs 350 specialists. Since no school teaches this specific craft, Prysmian provides all internal training, creating a unique and technological ecosystem. Every year, million kilometers of fiber leave this plant to power homes, hospitals, and smart cities. It is invisible to the eye, but essential to the world's digital future. From Douvrin, France, this is Maria Zaglio for Prysmian. Did you know that in France, there's the big...
Not too much.
We separate. So you go this way, I go this way.
Ah, okay.
So it's like
I haven't understood that.
No, me neither. Hai detto Douvrin. Io sto dicendo Douvrin.